to show how schools can use Google Classroom to ensure that each of the different classes within a cohort receive the same work. So in this example here, there are 4 Year 6 classrooms here for the blended learning and 1 planning classroom. Each of these classrooms are shared with all teachers on the grade, specialist teachers, and leadership as well. So within this classroom here, the planning classroom, the teachers are working together to create tasks for the students. And from here, teachers will then come into their classroom. So one teacher will go into a classroom, click on classwork, click on create, reuse the post. Just click back to make sure that they are in the planning classroom. When they come into the planning classroom, they can choose through the assignments and tasks that are created, choose to reuse that task, click over here. What it will do is it will reopen into the task editing phase. From here, if this task was being shared with every student in every class, then they would simply click the 4 classes that it needs to go into. They can't edit particular students when they do so. If they want to do specific students for a task, it has to be done by the individual classroom. They would come here and ensure that it goes under the topic that it needs to go under. Then they can simply post, save the draft. They cannot schedule. They can schedule the post if it is to 1 class only. So when that is done, that will then get shared to all 4 classrooms and each student would have access to it. If you wanted to schedule the post, then it would have to be done each class separately. So it's basically go in, click post or schedule, and it will go to that particular class, go to the other Year 6 classes and do the same process.